thank you for joining us. This afternoon, we're going to be talking about warranties in the waterproofing, indoor air quality, and structural repair, foundation repair industries. There's lots of information you can gather online, but today I'm going to let Michael start off talking about warranties in the industry itself.
Well, warranties is really a fascinating topic. And, because we're a smaller company, sometimes customers will choose not to work with us because they get flim-flammed by the bigger companies' glossy brochure warranty, or basically a false story about how, their warranty is better than every other warranty in the city. Well, it's not true. It's just smoke and mirrors. Really, quite frankly, a warranty is only as good as the product that was installed. If you've got a good quality product going in the ground in the first place, there's really no need for a warranty. And I often will joke about that with one of my business partners at Piedmont Foundation Repair. He's never had a callback. And the reason why he's never had a callback is because he's 54 years old and still in the field, and he's a perfectionist. So I say that to customers. Chris has got the best warranty in the business because he's never had to use it. So really the flash and pop and circumstance about warranty is misleading. You can count on any of the big companies in the phone book. They've got a stack of litigation on their desk that they're dealing with, and you can at least 15 to 20 accounts that are litigating at this current moment because of the disconnect between the management team and the production in the field.
Another thing you're going to find, Michael's absolutely 100% right about the litigants in this industry, but you can't, for you as the customer, it's very hard for you to find this out because a lot of these national companies have information technologists who are constantly washing out negative reviews from customers. So I had one just a few days ago who said, if I'd have known that it was a bad company, I would have never used them. I said, well, the reason you can't find that out is that they in fact do have people who their entire job is to make sure that complaints, either Better Business Bureau or Google reviews or other online services, disappear. And if you have people who that is their whole business, and so Michael's absolutely right when you consider that warranties are nothing but a piece of paper. They don't do one bit of actual work for you. What actually makes a product or service valuable is the product and how it was installed. Anything else, Michael?
Even more frustrating, there's actually a company in our market that was very popular for many years, put a lot of work in the 90s and early 2000s. Well, they sold the company, and the warranties were sold to some overseas conglomerate, and they don't honor the warranty. So somebody called from an install back at that time, basically crickets. So be aware that these franchisees often get bought and sold behind the scenes, and part of that deal is they're not going to take on the old clients. They don't care about the old warranty. So basically that pomp and circumstance from that glossy brochure warranty is it's just wordplay. It's word salad. Your best warranty is going to be from a company that's smaller, that is dedicated, and is going to put in the work correctly, so you never have to use that warranty in the first place. So if you have any more questions about warranties in the foundation or repair or waterproofing arena, give us a call and we'll be glad to fill in some more details on that. You can call us at the number below your screen, or you can check us out at our website and reach us that way. But we look forward to talking to you about that and any other issues you might have at your house. We appreciate you joining us today.
Thank you very much. You have a great day.